welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second part to continue showing you how to use the Triangulate node. This is the first example, so let's get started. I have added to the scene this UV sphere as shown here. Click on the new button over there. Let's zoom in just a tiny bit, like this. Shift A, I'm gonna be adding Triangulate node. Search for dots, connect it like this, and as you can see here, when you are in solid mode as shown here, you can see that some triangles are added by subdividing those faces. Just go over here, toggle to wireframe mode as shown here, and you can see that our object is subdivided like this, and when we try to connect this Triangulate node, you can see the effect clearly over here. But let's concentrate, or let's focus on changing this method, quad method. We have just selected the shortest diagonal, and I'm gonna be trying the second option, which is for beauty. And as you can see here, let's explain just a tiny bit. The quad method set to beauty is the slowest operation, but it gives optimal result as shown here. Then go over to the second option for fixed like this, and as you can see here, quad method set to fixed splits quads by connecting the first and the third vertices of each face, creating satisfying pattern. Then go to the third one, which is fixed alternate. As you can see here, this method splits quads by connecting the second and the fourth vertices of each face, basically the reverse of fixed. We have also the shortest diagonal. For shortest diagonal, splits quads by connecting the shortest, as shown here, connecting shortest diagonal. So if the distance from vertex 1 to 3 is shorter than vertex 2 to 4, it will triangulate by connecting the first and third vertex. And we have the last one, which is longest diagonal, and this option splits quads by connecting the longest diagonal, basically the inverse of shortest diagonal. And that's it for second example. Thanks for watching.